Alright, it's time to learn how to create a map visual. So in Power BI, if you look at it right now, we have two kinds of map visual. One is this one map and another one is field map. So we will create this map first. So I will kind of take it in this place. And then here we have a territories lookup table. We will go to this and then I will take the region in the location. So there are a couple of options here. You can, if you have latitude, longitude information, you can put it here. Then there is a legend, then there is location. So if you don't have lat long, then you can use the location field. So I will take the region and I will put it in the location. And you see, if I put it in the location, there is something that is not right in here. So if I zoom it, you see the map and field visuals are disabled. To enable them, go to file, options and settings, options, global and security. So it is kind of asking me to enable this map. So what I will do, I will go to file, I will go to options and settings, options, and then in here you have one option called security. If you click on the security, and then if you here you see map and field map visual, so you need to check this option. If you don't have it checked already, you can check this option and you can press OK. Now if you restart your Power BI, I will save this file and I will quickly restart it. All right, so it is loading. Let's see what happens. Voila, we can see actually now the map graph. Now we have the region, so you can see these are the regions that are available. Now what is the point of this graph? We cannot really conclude anything from this one. So what I will do, I also want to show it by sales. So whichever region is actually generating more sales, we want to capture that. So I will take the total sales and there is an option called bubble size. I will take the total orders and I will put it in the bubble size. If I put it, now you see some of the bubble sizes are bigger and some of them are smaller. If I zoom it, you see this bubble size is big and this is really small. Okay, so you can see by the number of orders, so this is 1786, and if I look at this one, since this bubble size is bigger, this is 2411. So depending on the order size, it is actually sizing the bubbles as well. Okay, so this is how you can actually create a map visual, and this is really great if you want, if you have any location field in your data, like we already have the territories lookup table, you can use this beautiful feature from Power BI. So that's it for this video. See you in the next lecture.